So this video I'm doing right here marks a significant change. I don't really know why, but um, there's just a. I've noticed as I'm doing my work here, as I do things the same way, as I keep copying the way that I've been doing it, and then I'm not able to do it. Um, I tend to notice stuff like that. That wow, this is actually a change. I can't. I've been doing this for this long, and I'm trying to do it right now, and I can't do it. So it's kind of interesting. Little stuff like that. When you think little things don't matter, you might be surprised. Try them out. Try doing new stuff, even if it seems stupid or whatnot, because you might notice something that's like, what the freak? This is kind of it's stupid, but it is a change. For example, I've been adding vignettes to most of my videos thus far. At least this phase of videos that I've done. Which this phase of videos is just we're looking at one picture. As you guys can see, this is a picture up here that I did. We look at one picture for about 4 and some odd minutes and talk about it. And for most of those, for this phase, most of those I've been doing vignettes over the filter over all of them. But this one I can't do. And if you know anything about vignettes, you know why. Because this image is mostly black, and a vignette is basically a gray or a transparent, a opaque, 50% opaque black filter that covers the corners. So this image is all of the way black in all of the corners. So the only place it would probably make a difference is in the upper right hand corner where it says made with KineMaster, because those words are in white. So you might be able to see a shade difference there, but other than that, you can't do it. So that's why I said this video marks a significant change because of that. But as you can see, that's how significant is that? How significant is that? Well, there's 7 billion people on the planet. I'm one person. You get the idea. um, yeah, that's just information that came from this photo. And as you guys can see, I haven't really even talked about this photo yet. But you guys can see the photo. You can hear my voice. You get the picture. But let's drill into some of these obvious facts. For what reason, I don't know. But let's do it anyways because we can. We can do it. Fall. So here we go. Fall. Sorry, YouTube. I remember a little bit about this collage that I did. And I found it interesting, the word fall and YouTube. Because YouTube is spelled incorrectly according to how their company brand does it, but I mean, how much does that really matter? But what really did matter is the word fall and YouTube came close together, and I found that interesting. I found it relevant. So I was like, and at one point in time, those were two separate cropped images, but I saw a connection between the two words, so I was like, yeah, let's do a collage with this because I can see how those go together. Obviously, you have to have a evil way of thinking, but you don't have to go into detail about it. But those words were close together and they make sense. So, but I added a little couple stylistic things to it. On the left side of sorry, I added a red flower that has green leaves shooting out from the sides of it. And then on the right side of YouTube, I placed a icon of a lipstick that has some things going around it, almost like stars going around it, but they're not stars. They're something else. And that's pretty much the entire image. Anyways, got to get up out of here. Bye.